This is a closer look at this waffle style cotton comforter set from Sophia and William. This one is the blue color. There are some additional colors that are available, a red, green, and a yellow to choose from. This one is the blue. It does look kind of like a darker blue more than a medium blue. And again, this is the twin. It comes with this twin size comforter's top. It's got this nice soft feel to it, and it has this waffle pattern you can kind of see here. It's kind of raised in different areas, kind of like the square edges are a little bit taller than the center section. But overall, it's just really soft and luxurious. It's 100% cotton, which makes it feel soft to the touch. And it's just kind of a beautiful looking comforter set. Made by Sophia William. It is 100% cotton cover with 100% polyester fill, so it's a down alternative. Machine wash cold, don't dry clean, and tumble dry low. And you can also iron it as well. This is the twin. It comes with one pillow cover. For the king and the queen versions, it comes with two. So here's again another closer look at that cover. There's a closer look again of the material. The back side of the pillowcase is not waffle print. It's just more of a regular white cotton material. So it's only the front is the waffle. But overall, this waffle material is really soft to the touch. It feels very breathable. It's nice.